Good morning. I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So, in the last part of the video, we had started our third chapter, that is your India and its landform. We came to learn about that the earth is not same everywhere. At some places it is raised, and at some places it is flat. Okay, we came to learn about that landforms are the physical feature of a country. Okay, landforms like your mountains, your plains, your plateaus and deserts, these are the physical feature of a country. Okay, we came to learn about that in landforms there live many animals. Okay, and the birds, it is the home of your many animals and the birds. We came to learn about that in mountains there live your snow leopard, where in desert there live your camel. Okay, then we came to learn about that India is divided into 6 natural regions. So today our topic is your northern mountains. So let's start. So here is the map of the India. Okay, so we will discuss about your northern mountains. Okay, these are located in the north of the India. Okay, where it is located in the north of the India. Okay, so you can see the brown shaded part, okay, in the map. Your brown shaded part in the map, all these are the part of your northern mountains. So let's know what is your northern mountains. Your now the northern mountains. Okay, so the northern mountains are present in the north of the India, as we see in the map. Okay, these mountains are high landforms that rise above the surrounding lands. These are your highest natural structure on the earth. These are the highest natural structure on the earth, and a chain of mountains is called a mountain range. You know, the highest mountain range in India is your Himalayas. Here you can see the picture of the Himalayas. These are the Himalayas, and these are the highest mountain range in your India. And the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. The highest mountain in the world is your Mount Everest, lie in this mountain range. It lie in this mountain range. Okay, the higher ranges of the Himalayas have snow covered mountains. Okay, Himalayas have your snow covered mountains, and you know, when the snow melt, it form your rivers, like your many rivers like your Ganga and Brahmaputra. These all are originated from the Himalayas. There are many hill stations such as your Shimla, Kullu and Manali. These are also located in your northern mountains and your what it is your Himalayas. Okay, the house in the highest mountain range, that is your Himalayas. Okay, and the highest mountain in the world is your Mount Everest. Okay, here you can see that there are many slow moving rivers of ice and snow which are found in the Himalayas, and these slow moving rivers of ice and snow are called glaciers. Okay, and you know, many rivers originate from these glaciers. Now we will watch a video.
Mountain system. Himalayan mountain system extends between river Indus in the northwest and river Brahmaputra in the east. It is crescent shaped. The world's tallest mountain peak, Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters in height, and some other peaks like Mount Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat and Nanda Devi, all exceeding 8,000 meters in height, are part of the Himalayas. The Himalayas can be divided into 3 main parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas.
So all of you have watched the video. So the main point of the northern mountains are that they are the highest natural structure on the earth, and the highest mountain range in India is the Himalayas, which are present in your northern mountains. and the highest mountain in the world, that is your Mount Everest, lies in the mountain range. Okay, the higher range of the Himalayas have snow covered mountains. Okay, when the snow melt, then it forms a river like your Ganga and Brahmaputra originated from these Himalayas. And there are many hill stations like your Shimla, Kullu and Manali, which are located in your Himalayas region. So that's all for today. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed about your northern mountains. Okay, that these are the highest natural structure of the earth. Okay, and they when the snow melts, then they forms your rivers, and your Ganga and Brahmaputra, all these are originated from your Himalayas. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.